Good morning. It's Saturday, and it's a day to post a new video. And I just spent time editing the vlog that I filmed over the week. So you're gonna see footage from last Saturday and then Monday. And the rest of the week I didn't really film anything because we've had renovations going on the rest of the week. And the house has been just trashed. So I didn't want to show any of that. It's still kind of trashed right now, but I did want to show you a little bit of what I was up to as far as panel prep goes this week, and then I'll keep filming for the next project. So my printer ran out of ink. Annoying. I was able to staple like 38 copies, I think, which is more than I brought last time. Last time I think I brought like, I don't know, 30 or so, and I ran out. I do want to bring like 50 because I know my panel is going to be at like 10 in the morning, and I know a lot of people won't be able to make it because I think that's when the maker market opens, and that's who I really want to have this panel for, and I really just want to have extras to hand out just in case I get in conversations. And I'm pretty much kind of going to treat it like a business card almost, really. So I have the 38 copies for now, and then I'll get more ink later. Oh, look, last one back here. Hooray!
Have a good day. Don't worry.
In a previous clip, I printed 38 of the handouts that I needed, and I'm gonna print the rest of them and staple them and get them ready to go so I can check that off my list. So here we go. Much better. Yes. Alright, so now I have my 50 copies. So it's 100 pages really, because it's a 2-page worksheet. It's better than before. It used to be 3. I cut it down. So now what I need to do is make my lead magnet's already made, but I need to put that on the site and get that ready to go so that those that want a digital copy or who want an additional copy for use later can use it. So that'll be my next project. So that about does it for the video this week. Click like and subscribe, and leave in the comments about how your week went. I'd love to hear about it and any questions that you have about what's going on. Have a great week, and I'll see you next week.